Hi guys, let me show you in this video how to install the wood roof trusses. Okay, you can see here they install two pressure treated plate 2x8 because that is 8 inches block wall CMU, and then they set the roof trusses each 2 foot spacing on center, and here you can see there's double roof truss. Okay, and there's a support here, there's a support here, metal clip support. Okay, and on the other side, so same thing here, bracket, so 2 plates, and you can see the clips, that's 5/8 or half-inch clips, and then that support, support between each roof trusses, wood roof trusses. Here you can see joint, expansion joint, because they built this wall first and this one second. Okay, same thing here, they built the exterior and this one second. And here the important thing you need to know: when you pour concrete, don't lay block here, just stop concrete, because there's a sidewalk, concrete sidewalk will be here, and here will be expansion joint. If you lay block, the block will be exposed when you fill it with concrete. Okay guys, here you can see a steel lintel and flashing. Here, those anchor bolts for canopy, metal canopy. Here you can see plumbing, everything will be above ceiling. Expansion joint should start above the grading, above the sidewalk. Okay, and here you can see that is the metal for the canopy will connect to those. You can see the holes, 1, 2, 3, and here you have 3 holes. So that will be metal canopy. Okay, and here I need to show you roof trusses. They put sister 2x4 to support it. Okay, that's per drawing plus the clips. Okay, here you can see the roof trusses and the clips. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. And I will show you, they put the metal flashing at the edge, that's the trim flashing, and then they put the waterproof, the black rub, and they nail it with clips and nail. You can see at the top. That's the vent, and that's the black for the nail and the clips. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.